Okay, let's right click on the Prices tab and go for Select All Sheets and click the Print Preview button and Next and Previous, and then we can close out of that. Now let's go to the File menu and Page Setup, and on the Header Footer tab let's click the Header drop arrow, and we want to select Excel Expert Working.xls page 1, and then let's click the Print Preview button there, and there's our header. Let's click Next, and there it is as well. Let's close out of that now. Now let's right click on the Sales tab and select Ungroup Sheets and go to the File menu, and let's select Print and Entire Workbook, and then let's click Preview, and there we can see they're all selected. Now let's close out of that. Let's click on the Prices tab and hold the Shift key down and click on Bonus, and we see that all of the tabs get selected. Let's go to the File menu again and Print, and let's select Active Sheets and Preview, and we see they're all there. Let's close out of that. Now let's click on the Prices tab again and hold the Control key down this time and click on the Bonus tab, and we see that only those two tabs get selected. Now let's go to the File menu and Print and Active Sheets and click the Preview button, and we see we've only got those two sheets there now. Let's close out of that and go to the File menu and Close, and no, we don't need to save. Now let's go to the File menu and Open, and hold the Control key down and select Excel Expert Working and XLX Working 2, and then we should click the Tools button on that open window. We should do once we've got those two selected, and go to the Tools button and click on Print if we had an active printer, otherwise we'd cancel out of it. But for some reason I didn't record that, so let's just go on and open Excel Test X2, and then we want to go and save it as XLX Working 3. And click the Save button, and now click in B4 of the summary sheet and click the Auto Sum button, and then click on the Blake tab and click in B4, and then hold the Shift key down and click on the Last Sheet button if necessary so that we can see, and click on the Samuel tab while holding the Shift key, and press Enter and have a look at what the formula is, and then we can use the fill handle to copy